Hey, welcome back to another episode of Simply Investing. We're pumping out a lot of these videos today. Hopefully, you guys read them and like them. As always, like and subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Trying to get over 100 likes on the Facebook page. So, guys, keep going, keep liking. Just started this channel, so hopefully I can be of help to you guys, and you guys can also help me and help other people with your questions and feedback. Because you never know, if you got a question, the odds are several other people have that question. So always feel free to ask it. No question's dumb. Always ask. Anyway, this is in response to a viewer asking me to look up a stock CRK. And right now I'm in my portfolio looking at it. So let's go here, CRK. Let's take a look and see what's going on with this stock. So CRK, Comstock Resources. All right, so seems to be a lot of hype on this. People thinking it's going to be a breakaway stock. I don't know. Can't answer that question just yet. But so first thing we want to look at is the financials. See what's going on here. All right, so we got the last 5 years of financial reportings for the year. So we're looking. Let's see what do they display these numbers in? In the millions. Okay, so they're displayed in the millions, and so in 2010, this company in December 31st of 2010 had a total revenue of 349 million. Last year had a total revenue of 555 million. So lots of great, but there's been some ups and downs, but it seems like last year they broke away because they went in 2011 to 434, then down to 385, then up to 420, and then up to 555. So if we look at total operating expenses and everything, looks like they actually went down last year and they were going up for a while. See here, let's see what their total revenue was. They actually paid a dividend last year, 50 cents a share. That's quite a bit. It's 25% of their cost of the stock right now. So we look all the way down. Seems like it's going in the right direction. So let's take a look at the earnings. So they are projecting that this company is going to be down on earnings to their projections for Q4 15 and Q1 16. So down $1.31 per share. And they were down the last 5 shares. Earnings are down. It's not good. No, you really don't want to see that. So let's take a look at FCC filings to see if anyone's... Okay, there's a lot of insider buy and sells here in August. So let's just take a look at one, see what's going on here. So lots of insiders acquiring stock. So that's a good thing. So you have executive management buying lots of these stocks. So that means that they have faith in their company. So obviously they have a plan and they're going to see it through. So we're already got 2 points for this stock. I usually don't like to invest until I get at least 10 good points that I can reasonably consider. Here's latest quarterly filings. So what you want to do is read through these quarterly statements as much as possible. So seems to have done all right. And they produced 500. Yeah. Don't know what these are expressed in. But they seem to be doing okay. They still produced a loss for last quarter, so I don't know the exact numbers, but it's saying 544,000, which is probably more like 5 million a loss if it's expressed in the right numbers. I'm thinking it is in, but so not so much points there, but I got major points for people looking to buy into this stock. Now, here's the question. Now you got to think, because a lot of times these small stocks under $5 are in pump and dump schemes. So let's go take a look at the chart here to see how the stock performed since in the last 10 years or as early as it's been. So let's see as that loads up here. Certainly it's taking its time. That's something that you just want to always take a look at is, one, you want to make sure that executive management is buying stock in the company they work for. If you don't see that happening, then you know that there's a problem with the stock or with the company, because if the executive team doesn't have confidence in the company, they're not going to put their own money into it. And it's a shame because that's just the way things are sometimes. Let me just turn off here. My Wi-Fi seems to be acting up, but it's my last day here, so I don't care. But this is getting a little tedious here because I'm just trying to get some charts. Here we go. All right, so we got the last year. Let's see if we can get longer. But November 2014, stock was over $10. Now we're just hovering over $2.50. So that's a little bit of a stretch. Let's see if we can go 10 years out. So 10 years, this stock has just taken a dive. Over 30. Just the last 5 years. So yeah, I'm sorry, not last 10 years, last 5 years. So it looks like they opened up at $24.97 a share when they went IPO. Took up there, their highest was $33.27, and they're now down to $2. So this leaves something to be said. Yes, it is an energy company, but with gas prices are going to be going down, especially with more people buying more fuel efficient cars and companies making more fuel efficient cars, because that's the way people are going nowadays. I rate this stock as a watch. Like, I'm not going to buy into it. And if you do, don't put more than 2% of your portfolio into it, because it could just altogether go out bankrupt and go out of business because it's making a lot of losses. Granted, management has faith in their direction of the company, which is always good, but that's the only thing that has this stock as the reason why I would watch it. If it gets over $3, I would say start buying it, but don't keep it more than, if you're going to go risky, 5% of your share. It's just, it could go either way. If oil prices go back up, you'll make a fortune, but I just don't see them going back up for a long term. Like, gas isn't going back up that high anymore. I don't know what people are thinking, but we're not going to have $4 a gallon. We're not going to have over $100 a barrel. It may get over $55, but it's probably going to stop there, and it's probably going to be there for a very long time. So this company is going to have to show that it has other sources of revenue. Maybe do some natural gas, solar energy, green energy, something, because oil and gas just isn't working for it. So maybe have to go into fracking. I don't know what their details are in it, but I would say transition to solar and green energy, because that's going to be the next big thing in this area. So with that said, I rate it as a watch. Don't buy it. It's got a lot of red flags pointing in the other way, but the only positive thing is that management is buying into it. So if management's buying into it, at least you know they're dedicated to making the company work. But that could change too. So I would watch it. Wait until you see that. Once you see management starting to sell, if you're in it, get out. If you're not in it, you know, then you prove yourself lucky. But it could go either way on this stock. Hope that helped you out. Hope that you think it will go, because I don't think it's going to double. And that's just based off of the financials. I didn't even look into uh, news reports or anything of the company, and that's just basically looking at the financials, earnings, charts. And I already determined, just watch this stock. I mean, yesterday it was down 4.26%, 12 cents. It's probably going to drop another dollar realistically before it starts to go up anyway. So I would still watch it for the next 30 days, see what it's going to do. Like I said, leave comments, feedback, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, give me more stocks to look up. Always like and comment on the Facebook page, Simply Investing 2015. It's all one word. And yeah, subscribe for more videos. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and trying to get over 100 likes. So with that said, talk to you guys later. Have fun trading. Use the weekends as times to re-up on your strategy and find new stocks. Well, would be, I guess I could do more stock research and picking on the weekends for you guys. That said, see you guys later. Probably next video will be at my new place. So talk to you guys later.